it's Jackie, and I am here doing the second look of the afterglow. This is what it looks like. I did not put on falsies. I'm trying to give my lashes a little rest from having lash glue on them all the time. So yeah, if you like the look, hit the like button. Don't forget, before you leave my video, please subscribe and hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So yeah, let's get into this look, shall we? Look at number 2, afterglow. Excited about this one. I'm coming to you with my face makeup already done, because I wanted to jam out to music while I did my makeup today. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna do my face makeup first and listen to music, and then I will do my eyes. So we're gonna start off with, I want to start off with Dazzle, this yellow color. I want to use that as a transition shade. I'm going to switch it up a little bit, see what we can do. So my morning started off kind of irritating. Had to call my health insurance company to make my, monthly payment. And this is not the first time I've called them to make a payment. They wouldn't let me make a payment because I was using my husband's card. Okay. I paid January, February, and March with my husband's card, and it wasn't a problem. Why is it a problem all of a sudden? So, I'm gonna have to go to my husband's bank and add me to his account just so I can have my own card so they don't give me a freaking hard time. So now I gotta wait for him to come home from work to call them and pay it so he can tell them that it's okay to use his card. So stupid. So annoying. I hate it. It's like, do we have to make everything difficult? Seriously? Anyways, I'm gonna go into the crease shade. I'm gonna use Glimmer. That one right there. We're gonna use different colors we haven't used yet, colors we didn't use the last time. So that's part of the reason why I was like, I just want to jam out to music and do my makeup today. So that's what I did. And now we are doing the second look. It was so funny because she was like, the name on the card, and I went to say my husband's name, and she was like, I can't do that. I was like, why? She's like, it's not your card. I was like, but he's my husband. And she was like, it doesn't matter. I was like, okay. She's like, unless he's there to confirm that you can use it, you'll have to call back when he's there. I was like, okay. It just slid right out of my hand. So, well, guess I'll be calling back later when he's home. So stupid. I should have been like, well, I've been doing it for 3 months now, but sure, whatever, lady. I get very grumpy. Okay, what color? I'm gonna go into the outer corner. I'm gonna use Beam in the outer corner. I'm gonna start off with that color for the outer corner. Move this stuff out of my way. Okay, I'm gonna use E.L.F brush. That is No wonder I couldn't find this brush. It was in my face brushes container holder. It's really just a square glass that I put my brushes in. But yeah, it was in there and I just saw it and I was like, that's where it went. That's why I couldn't find it all this time. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back because my dog keeps running back and forth, indicating he needs to go out. So I'm gonna go let him out before he pees on my floor or something. Okay. And we're back. Sorry about that. When they gotta go, they gotta go. So, then I woke up this morning. Look outside, and there's like 2 inches of snow outside. I was like, what is happening? Why does this keep happening? I guess Mother Nature wanted to play a little April Fool's joke on us. It's spring. April Fools! Here's some more snow. Over snow. Winter, my least favorite time of year. Least favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. Let's see. Oof. These colors are so close, these two shimmers, but this one shimmer has like a goldish yellow reflect. So I think I want to go in with that one. So I'm gonna go in with Brilliant down here. I really wish you could see that better. I'm gonna use my finger. I don't know why the dog keeps running back and forth. I just let him out. So what's his issue? Very confused. There's a good thing about having small hands. I can get right into that corner pretty good with my finger because my fingers are so small. I like that. That's pretty. It's a purr. Okay, let's go in with the crease shade, the glimmer. Get a little on the brush, clean up this crease a little bit. Go into that yellow transition shade. Just a little. Just to buff out. I likey. I'm going to get, no, not that one, this one. Just a little itty bitty brush. And I'm going to take the color Bloom right there. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. I like little pops of color. Gonna take that yellow transition brush and just kind of swipe it. I think we're good there. Let's get some eyeliner. Just try not to botch this because I don't plan on lashes. Actually, you know what? Let me curl my lashes first. I really feel, kind of want to give my lashes a little break. Need to get a really good mascara. Now let's do liner. Going to grab, I have no idea what mascara to use. Let's use this Plump and Curl mascara by Ellen Tracy. eyelashes do not like to curl. Let's just do a nude. This is LA Colors Petal lip color, like a pinky nude. Let's throw some of this on. Boom. And voila, there we are. Look number 2 in the Afterglow. Did you enjoy this palette? I did. I like these springy orange colors. They're very pretty. So the next palette we're going to get into next week is the last After palette. It is After Party. And it looks like, ooh, sorry, like this. Ooh. Very pretty. So that is the next palette, the last palette in the After series. So yeah, if you like the look, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And head on over to my Facebook page. There's a link in the bottom of my description box. Like that page. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for other videos. If you have any video suggestions or things you want to see from me, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I love comments. They make me feel like people are actually watching. So yeah, feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you. And yeah, so that is it for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!